Hi, CAT 2023 scorecards are out. The question is, when will the calls be out? Now, scorecards are out. If you log into your IMCAT portal, your normal ID password which you use to download your hall ticket, etc., there you will get a button called scorecard and you can download your scorecard. So you will get your scorecard, you can see your scores, the proper scorecard, the scale score and your percentile which is there. Now, when will the calls be up? I mean, last year, two the scorecards were available on the same time. So I'm assuming it will follow the same timeline this year too. Last year, also, if you look at the calls, scorecards were out around the same time, 21st of December. So IMA call last year was out in 8 Jan. So that means there's still time. I mean, we expect the timeline to be followed the same thing. So expect the call should be around at the same time. I mean, around 8 Jan, IMA, that's the first call that come out. IMA, B, C, normally are the first ones to give out calls. And the rest of the AMP will follow suit around that. So normally it follows suit like ABC will first give call, L, then IK, and as per rank, baby AMPs, new AMP, baby AMP, etc., which goes on. So the others will come out later on. ABC will come out earlier. So yes, around when the exact exam is there, around that time the calls will be out. Okay, so most of the calls will be available in mid-January. Though the calls are out on 8 Jan, you will have your interviews mainly from February, March, etc. So you have a month, maybe 2 months sometimes, based on when your calls are for the interview. But you will have to prepare. I mean, PIWAT takes a long time to prepare. So start preparing for PIWAT G. I mean, if you're expecting the calls, don't wait for the calls to come out. Start preparing. It's high time. Before you join a class, you can always start preparing on your own, reading newspapers, knowing more about you, knowing what type of questions are asked, and then maybe as when you get confirm your call, you can join the class. Okay, can do along with the XAT preparation. So if you're getting a call, it makes sense to balance your XAT preparation along with your calls. That should help, right? All the best for your results and all the best for the calls.